In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set breakpoints in Framer. To start with, the very first thing you need to do is to go to the Framer website. Once you've done that and you're on the site, wait until your Framer dashboard comes up. This is your primary work area in Framer and where you control and manage all the aspects of your project. Next, you're going to go ahead and hit Insert. And just like that, you've opened up a whole new world of possibilities. You see, Insert is where you can add new elements or components to your projects. And in this case, you will proceed to click on Pages. That's right, go ahead and click on Pages. Now, once you've done that, you're going to be given options to select from one of the pre-built pages that Framer provides. You select any page that meets your design needs or preferences. This method is a real lifesaver as it adds breakpoints automatically and optimizes your design for different screen sizes. Essentially, it makes sure that your design looks good irrespective of the screen size on which it is viewed. But our journey doesn't end there. Up until now, we've talked about how to make use of the existing ready-made options. But what if you want to add your breakpoints, or you need a custom breakpoint for a larger screen maybe? Hang on there, because I've got your back. To add the default breakpoints, all you need to do is click on the tablet and phone icons that you'll find on your Framer dashboard. And for adding a custom breakpoint, the first thing you need to do is to choose the custom option. After you've selected custom, you continue by giving your new breakpoint a name. For instance, you can name it Big Screen if you plan to target larger screens. Lastly, you will set the desired width for your custom breakpoint. If you're targeting larger screens, I suggest setting a width like 1900. This way, you've now successfully added a custom breakpoint to your Framer project. And there you have it. You've now learned how to set breakpoints in Framer, both using the pre-built pages method and by adding custom breakpoints. Setting breakpoints ensures that your designs are optimized for any screen size, providing a better user experience. Remember that practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat this process until you're comfortable with it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and wish you the best luck on your design project.